Math Module 4, Lesson 17. I can relate decimal and fraction multiplication. So when we learned about the place value chart, tenths place, hundredths place, thousandths place, we're going to be taking that decimal form and easily converting it into a fraction and then multiplying. So make sure everything that's done in the video you're going to be doing in your workbook. Nothing new. So we're going to play pause it again. So you need to go to Schoology and go to Math. On the left-hand side, you're going to click on Play Pause It. You're going to click Agree. Or Approve, sorry, not Agree. I got ahead of myself. Then on the second row, we're going to click Math, which is in the middle. So now we're going to scroll down, and today we're not going to 416, we're going to 417 right here. So you need to click right where it says 4-17, the words. You're going to click play, and you're going to yet again be taking notes. Everything I do in the video, you're doing in your workbook. But you're also going to be required to answer those questions that I've popped up in the video. So you're actively participating. We had 2 students that didn't answer every question. So today I want 100% of you answering every question, not just most of us. I want all of us. Mrs. Adams, remember, you do not leave the room unless she picks you up. I know that she was absent yesterday. I found that out later in the afternoon, so I'm not sure if she will be there today. However, you do not leave the room until she picks you up. Make me proud. I think you can be very successful with this math lesson. Good luck. This is the screen that will be on the board listing all the work that you are required to do today. Concept development's only 1 page again. Woohoo! Application problem is review of the previous lesson. So we should be successful if we did our homework and did our problem sets and we were focused. And then start working on your problem set, which will prepare you for your math homework. I want a good report. Thank you.